Is your engine struggling to breathe and losing its usual pep? If you have plugged in an OBD2 scanner and pulled up the code P0028, you are dealing with an intake airflow control issue. This code specifically points to the intake valve control solenoid circuit range or performance on bank 2. Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite your number 1 cylinder, so make sure you are looking at the correct side. Essentially, your car has a variable valve timing system that uses hydraulic actuators to adjust the intake camshaft. This helps your engine breathe better at different speeds. The computer is telling you that the intake camshaft is not rotating into the correct position when commanded. When this happens, your car cannot optimize the air intake. You will definitely see the malfunction indicator lamp on your dashboard. Behind the wheel, you will feel poor acceleration. The engine might run rough, and you will notice you are getting fewer miles per gallon than normal. The most common reason for this is surprisingly simple. It is often just low or dirty engine oil. Because the camshaft actuator needs precise oil pressure to move, old, contaminated oil can clog the screens and stop the movement dead in its tracks. Other causes include a failed solenoid, a stuck mechanical actuator, or a loose timing chain, though the chain is less likely if you do not hear rattling. To fix this, start with the easiest step. Check your engine oil. If it is below the fill line or looks like tar, perform an oil change immediately. This is critical for the life of the VVT system. If the oil is fresh, locate the intake valve control solenoid on the bank 2 side. You will want to test it for continuity. Grab a digital volt-ohm meter and set it to the ohms setting. Unplug the solenoid harness and place your probes on the terminals. You need to verify if the internal resistance falls within the manufacturer's specifications. If the resistance is good, pull the solenoid out of the engine. Check the metal screens on the body of the solenoid for debris or sludge buildup. If it is dirty, clean it with brake cleaner. If the O-rings are damaged, replace them, as this causes a loss of oil pressure. If you clean it or replace it and the code remains, you might have a mechanical failure in the camshaft actuator or an issue with the engine computer not sending the right signal. Testing the computer requires checking for a pulse-width modulated signal using an oscilloscope, which can be tricky. If you have verified the oil and the solenoid are good, but the car still runs poorly, or if you are uncomfortable digging into the wiring harness, it is time to take it to a certified shop. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.